Tinky was sitting together watching TV. Just then, Papa walked in. Hey kids, what are you two watching?
Papa, this is our favorite show. In this, Harry and Sammy, these two kids, team up to take all sort of fun challenges. And look, today they are doing Stay in the Car for 24 Hours challenge.
Oh wow, that sounds quite interesting.
Papa, we want to do this challenge too. We'll stay in the car for 24 hours. Right, Kattu? It's going to be so much fun. Oh yes, Tinky. Brilliant idea. Papa, Tinky and I will also take on this car challenge. And whosoever steps out of the car first gets eliminated. Done! Papa, we can do this, right?
Alright then kids. But first, promise me this. Once the challenge is over, you won't leave the car in a mess. You will clean it up thoroughly. Deal?
Okay, Papa. Deal.
The next day, they both woke up early at 6 a.m. Seeing them up, Bingo woke up too.
Tinky, are you ready to set up our beds inside the car? Yes, Kattu. Absolutely ready.
Gattu Chinky quickly rushed into Papa's room and while waking him up, said,
Papa, come with us, please. We need to unlock the car. Our challenge is about to begin. Yes, Papa. We cannot open the car by ourselves alone.
Oh, yes, kids. I'm coming right now. And unlocks the car with the key. Both of them draped a bedsheet over it and placed two cushions on top.
Yay! Kattu, look, our bed on the back seat of the car is all ready now. Look. We could even put up curtains in the window. Right, Tinky? Oh, Kattu Tinky. Very good. It looks like you two have fully planned out how to spend 24 hours inside the car. Yes, Mummy. And our challenge is going to start at 8 o'clock. Oh, Kattu, there's only 15 minutes left. What? Then come on. Let's get the rest of the supplies fast.
Gattu and Chinky quickly rush home, pack their remaining stuff in their school bags and bring them back. Alright kids, I'm going to go freshen up. Then we'll head out to have breakfast.
Okay.
Mom and Dad leave. And Gattu and Chinky settle down comfortably.
This is quite exciting. How comfortable is this mattress? I could easily sleep right here for whole 24 hours. And I'll just sit right here and finish my maths homework. But maths is so tough. So I will finish my science homework first. Yes, Bingo, you too can play here with your toys. And you don't have to do any homework too.
Three of them laugh. Short while later, Mom and Dad return all ready to go. Okay kids, so where do you plan on going for breakfast sitting in the car?
Papa, since we cannot come out of the car, why don't you tell us what we can eat while sitting inside? Then for breakfast, we should have everyone's favorite, vada pav, and some tea with it.
Sounds good. Done. Mom and Dad take their seats in the front of the car. Papa buys vada pav from outside and gives it to Gattu Chinky in the car itself. Here, Gattu Chinky, but don't spill inside the car.
Don't worry, Papa. We have come fully prepared.
Gattu Chinky take out towel from their bags and places them over their laps.
Now it won't fall at all. Very good, children. And take this. I have packed some breakfast for Bingo as well. Oh, thank you, Mummy. Bingo, you too say thank you to Mummy. Welcome, Bingo.
Everyone sits together in the car and has breakfast. Mummy and Papa also have some coffee. And then everyone heads home. Alright, Gattu Chinky, Mummy and I are heading back home. You two go ahead and complete your challenge.
Okay, Papa. Papa, it's so hot in the car. How do we turn on the AC?
Oh, right. You do it like this from here. Papa helps them turn on the AC. And then they head home. Gattu and Chinky open their bags and start looking over their homework.
Oh, Chinky, this is pretty boring. We finished our homework so quickly. What to do now? Should we play a game? Let's play a word game. Window. Window, door? Yes. Radio. You got this idea after looking at the radio? Right, Tinky? Yes, you got it right, Kattu. Alright then. Radio. Onion. Napkin. Okay then. Network. Kite. Tomatoes. Saxophone. Saxophone starting with N. Neon shoes. No, Gattu, you lost. You can't use double words. Oh, really? Yes, that's the rule. No worries. Next time, I will only win. And these cookies are so yummy, aren't they, Bingo? But what should we do now, Bingo? You are getting bored too. Look, lunchtime is at 1 o'clock. Why don't we sleep in the car until then? Oh yes! That way the time will pass quickly and we'll have fun at lunchtime.
After eating snacks, both Gattu Chinky go to sleep. Bingo curls up right alongside them. As soon as it is 1, Mom and Dad come downstairs.
Hey kids, wake up. Oh Mom, is it lunchtime already?
Yes, kids. That's why we are heading out today to eat our favorite pasta. The restaurant we are going to even has a drive-thru option, which means we can pick up our pasta and eat it right here in the car. Hearing what Papa said, both Gattu and Chinky get excited.
Wow, this is exciting. Yes, so let's go then.
Then Papa takes everyone out to eat some pasta. Excuse me, 4 special house veggies pasta, 2 for kids.
Okay, sir. You'll receive your order right in your car at the next counter.
Thank you. And then at the next counter, Papa collects their order.
Wow, this pasta is so yummy. Yes, you're right, Kattu. It's just, it's little spicy, isn't it, Kattu? Yes, Tinky, you're right. Good thing we bought extra water. Take. Yes, give it, Kattu.
The pasta is so much spicy for both of them that they drink a whole lot of water. So kids, how's the lunch? Good, right? Kids? When Mummy checks both of them in the back seat, she notices that they don't look quite right.
Hey, are you two okay? No, Mummy. Bathroom. We drank too much water. We need to go to the bathroom. Oh, well then, go quickly. Why wait? Yeah, now we really have to go.
Hey, look over there, kids. Right across from us is the restaurant's washroom.
Okay.
Gattu Chinky quickly hop out of the car and sprint straight towards the washroom.
Both of us lost the car challenge together, Tinky.
Yes, kids, but we have got the winner of this car challenge. Come. Confused, Gattu and Chinky exchange glances. Then follow Papa and Mummy back to the car. The moment Papa opens the door, Gattu and Chinky are surprised.